friends, this is Manish Khanna. Welcome back. I know we are going through some difficult times, and at times when you're sitting at home, nowhere to go, you feel like eating kuch meetha at home. So today I'm going to be showing you a very simple, very easy red velvet mug cake. It is ready in 4 minutes, absolutely, and you can make it for your loved ones at home and enjoy a little meetha. So let's get started. For this mug cake, we will be using flour, cocoa powder, sugar, curd, oil, little red color, white chocolate which is chopped. And for the frosting on top, we will be using cream cheese, butter, icing sugar and a little vanilla essence. We will take the curd in the bowl. We will add the sugar and the oil and mix this well. As you can see, the sugar has dissolved. Once the sugar has dissolved, I will put in the flour and the cocoa powder and the red color and mix this. Once I have mixed, I will take half of that white chocolate, put it inside and mix it. And our batter is ready. This I will put it into a cup. I have put it inside. Using a spoon, I will just level out the batter. I will take the balance of the white chocolate and put it on top and just spread it. Yeah. Now this is ready. This will go into the microwave on high for about 70 seconds. As you can see, this is done. If it does not rise fully in 70 seconds, you can just microwave again for another 10 seconds and check it. But as you can see, when I'm pressing it, it is done. So 70 seconds first and then 10 seconds more in case if it's not firm, like how this is. Now while the cake is cooling down, we will make the frosting. I will take the cream cheese and just cream it a little so that it gets a little soft. Into this, I will add the butter and cream that too. I will take the icing sugar, add half first and mix this. Add the balanced sugar and mix this well. To this, I will add 2 drops of vanilla essence and the frosting to be put on top is ready. Once the cake is totally cooled down, I will put this on top. Cake has totally cooled down and my icing is ready. So what I will do is, to finish it, I will just pour the icing on top. And if you want, you can take some red velvet crumbs that I have from a sponge. And as you can see, this is ready to eat.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज़।